Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start our new chapter that is very interesting. Chapter number 9, Forces and Machines. It's on page number 95. Please open your books and hold your pencils in your hands. Force. So the term force is not new for you. You are quite familiar as you have done it in your previous classes as well. First of all, I would like to give you an example. Let's suppose you are playing football and the ball is coming towards you. What will you do? You will kick the ball with lots of force and you will be changing the speed and direction of the ball. So what enables you to do so? Yes, force enables you to do so, and by applying force, you will be able to kick the ball. Let's take another example. Right now you must be sitting on a chair. If I say to change the direction of that chair, what will you do? You will either push the chair or pull the chair to change the direction of that chair. So what enables you to do so? Yes, force enables you to change the direction of that chair. So I can say that a force is a push or pull which changes the size, shape, speed or direction of an object. Forces may push, pull, tug, squeeze, stretch, twist or press, but what they all do is move things or change the shape of things. Let's do an activity. I want all of you to have a piece of paper in your hands. Now please change the shape of that paper. Yes, you might roll the paper randomly or you can make anything, an aeroplane or boat. So, by twisting, pressing, stretching or squeezing, you can make different things from that paper. And by applying force with the help of your hands, you will be able to change the size and shape of that paper. Forces move things. Here you can see that a man is pushing the chair. And how he is pushing the chair? He is pushing it by applying force with the help of his hands. So by applying force, he is moving the chair. So forces move things. Next is machine. Again, the term machine is not new for you. So what are machines? Students, just keep the simplest definition in your minds that anything which makes your work easy is called a machine. And don't think that machine is something big. It can be big or it can be small as well. Like washing machine. It's a bigger one. But it is helping you, so it's a machine. Similarly, a spoon. Spoon is a smaller one, but it is helping you, so it's a machine. So a machine is a device which is used to make work easier by either changing the size and direction of a force or by producing a larger movement from a smaller movement. Anything which enables us to do work more easily is called a machine, and there are many examples from our daily life. Few of them are of spoon, fork, a screwdriver and a doorknob. Let's take another example from our daily life. Your mother is baking a cake and she will be using an egg beater. Egg beater will help your mother and make her work easy and also saving the time. So we can say that an egg beater is a machine. So machines are very helpful in our daily life. And machine is a device or a thing which makes our work easy. Types of machines. There are two types of machines. Number one, simple machines, and number two are the complex machines. Simple machines. There are 6 types of simple machines. Number 1 is the lever. In the diagram, you can see lever is actually a bar or a rigid arm. Number 2 is the ramp or inclined plane. Ramp or inclined plane can be any sloping surface, which is very helpful to lift the loads. Number 3 is the wedge. It consists of 2 inclined planes and it is very helpful to split the logs. Number 4 is the screw. Screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. Next is wheel and axle. It consists of a rod and wheels and they are attached. The last simple machine is pulley, and in the diagram you can see that pulley is kind of a wheel. It helps us to lift heavy loads. So students, all these simple machines are of greater use and they help us in our daily life. Complex machines. When any of 6 simple machines combine together, they make complex machines. Means when the simple machines work collectively, then complex machines are made. And you are familiar with the diagram. It's a complex machine. It's a crane, which helps us to lift heavy objects. So there are many examples of complex machines in our daily life. Now it's the activity time. There are a few questions for you. Please find out the answers of these questions and write them neatly on the loose sheets. Question number 1 is, what is force? Question number 2, in what ways do machines make work easier? Question number 3 is, name 6 simple machines. Question number 4, what are complex machines? Give examples. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. So take care and Allah Hafiz.